In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily set up your Amazon Echo with a Bluetooth audio device. First, you want to log in and open up your Amazon Echo app if you haven't done so already. You'll then want to navigate over to the Devices tab on the bottom right corner of the app. Near the top left, there's a button for Echo and Alexa. Press that, and then select the device you want to connect to a Bluetooth speaker. Under the Connected Devices menu, select Change Speaker. Now you can click on Bluetooth, and selecting Next will prompt you to pair a previously paired device, or you can set up a new one and follow the instructions in the app. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please give it a like and consider subscribing to more tech videos. I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.